Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome to a brand new video. This is basically a random vlog of random things I've been doing lately. These are a whole bunch of Pokemon cards, which we are going to open. Don't know what I'm going to set you guys. Just kind of set you here. Oh no, don't follow this. Anyway, so here we got these. Let's open this one. And my dog's just walked in as usual. Why are you alive? Go away. Go away. Have a good day. Anyway. So as I was saying, we're going to be opening these. Alright, anyway, yeah, that's random one. This one is going to be opening. Alright, I used to collect these a lot. These were my favorite as a child. Which, needless to say, I am still a child. So see what we got. So we got a unknown, still same style backing that they normally use. Beldum. Honestly haven't been in a Pokemon lately, so I don't know where they're going with all these random names and whatnot. So anyway. Okay, that is just the worst name for Pokemon. It's just Porygon Tube. That is just the worst name I've ever heard for Pokemon. And, well, didn't know that, but they have an app. So, alright, let's do the next one. So, the next one is Sun and Moon Burning Shadows. And, so, let's open it. I think Esper is how you pronounce it. Not bad. Moriel, which is yet another Pokemon that I haven't heard of. Bodybuilding dumbbells. I bet you could throw those at some people and do some damage. Yeah, again, we have that same card. Download the app, which obviously I might do. If I do that, I'll put it in this video. So yeah, you got Sun and Moon Burning Shadows with a picture of Oho on it. And so, let's see what we get this time. So, Cutiefly, another Pokemon I haven't heard of. And wow, supposedly these special shiny cards, for example, I don't know if you see that glare, is supposedly worth more. Which, I don't know, I'm going to start my Pokemon collection up again. Might be doing some more of these unboxing videos. Oh, okay, that's another trainer item called a Rotom Dex. Don't know what that is, so yet again another thing. Download the app. Alright. Am I missing something? Okay, no, we're not missing anything. Alright, guys. So here is the last one, which, what the heck is that? Anyway, Sun and Moon Burning Shadows yet again. You can obviously see I got 4 of these. They're $1 per one at the dollar store if you're wanting to collect some of these. So now, actually, for a change, there's a Pokemon I do know. He's pretty cool. I think I've had him in a couple games. Sandygast, which I don't know that Pokemon, but yeah, it looks like he's smoking a joint. So yeah. Energy card, which I never really seen a use for these because I never really battled. I just collected them. And yeah, that's about it. Another card. Download the app, and now that I really look at it, you can actually watch the episodes on here. That's pretty lit. Alright guys, so I mean, that is basically all of these that we got right here. And yeah, pretty good. Which, hold on, I'll reorganize these. They're not all Pokemon cards, they're kind of random assorted cards. And so I shall reorganize those and put them into a video. So, with that being said, I guess we'll end the video here. Alright guys, peace. Okay guys, this is Majewski Vlogs. What's going on? Check out more videos, subscribe. Camera testing. Alright guys, see you later.
My GoPro, we're going to be using this, what I used to vlog with.